So next week எனக்கு exams இருக்கு. அப்போ நான் என்ன சாப்பிட போறேன், எப்படி சாப்பிட போறேன்னு அவங்க எல்லாரும் கிட்ட காமிக்கிறேன். Hi guys, Kuttima here. Now exam season is upon us, so I decided to show you guys some Tomo recipes to keep you full, energized and healthy. So, for those of you who feel unfamiliar with this vegetable, this is called okra, also known as lady's fingers, and in Tamil we pronounce it vendika. And so that I don't lose any of the nutrients, I'm just going to do a quick fry up instead of a curry. So this is a special little something that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm basically going to make rasam. Rasam is an Indian soup that you can have by itself or pour it on top of the rice. This is good when you don't make curry so that the rice won't be as dry. But in order to have all of the benefits, I'd say use all the ingredients fresh. For example, my mum would grind the cumin seeds and the black peppercorns and use that. But, you know, I'm a university student, I don't have the time or the efforts. Nevertheless, it does still taste pretty good. Well, I forgot to add the manjal powder, but that's okay, I added it in the end. As long as you have it inside, it doesn't really matter if you add it at the beginning or towards the end. Whilst making the rasam and the vendika, I also had rice cooking on the side. And we are done, so let's just, get this served up for everyone to see. I have to say, my rasam making techniques have really excelled because it tasted really good. I was hella surprised. And I kind of wish I had poppadoms to finish this, but I ran out and I don't want to have to trek all the way to the Tomo shop just to get some more poppadoms, so I'll just survive somehow. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye!